Ka Dr. Dipti Goswami na Apollo Hospital, ka sa Sumar ginang pa Apollo Trinity Medical Center, kemudian Hajan Gora Lane, Luwunong Hills, Shillong. Nadapi kuat book appointment, pilawan phone ni WhatsApp, how no number, kendai saw prasan, like kendai nyawar nyolai, but pilaru bunchu book online appointment, hag website www.apollotrinityshillong.com. Nagbenta ko home collection ru pilawan phone, how no number, kendai saw prasan, like kendai nyawar nyolai.
Hello, I'm Dr. Dipti Goswami. I'm a consultant at Apollo Fertility Center, Guwahati. It gives me great pleasure that I'm coming to your city, Shillong, at Apollo Trinity Center on 16th of October. So if you have any infertility related issues, if you are finding it difficult to conceive, or you have gone for IVF in other centers but you have failed somehow to conceive, then you can come for consultation on 16th October to Apollo's Trinity Center. We are there to solve your problems. We are there to guide you properly. And if you have any other gynecological problems or cosmetic gynae problems, like if you have any other urinary related problems, or you have any sexual dysfunction problems, then also you can come and meet me and avail consultation at Apollo Trinity Center on 16th of October. Thank you.